Now just I am going to just separate it out with the help of the knife. I think this portion is need to be inclined up to a 5 mm, so that we get the well formation of our design. Okay. Gradually we get it a little bit round, so that it can set it here. Now I am going to just place the eyelet facing. Now I am going to just highlight in this design. Now just I am going to uh, reveal you uh, the print line. Sorry, friend. There is a sound of and some people and some of the things. That's why sometimes I have to just stop my videos because of you don't get any interfere between my video, and I also don't want to just get a distractor. Meanwhile, of my just depict how to depicting my design. So because while showing you my design. And when I get just distract meanwhile of laying lay out the design, I feel and always be felt embraced and feel embraced. That is why I have to sometime just stop my video. Now I'm going to just show you stitching design so that you can just get to acknowledge for yourself that is which design is outer part and which design is inner part. Such all this design always sort of this design always take a great effort. So I always get my motivation down when you don't subscribe my button, and at least please you do uh, smashing subscribe my button and hit hit out my like button. Okay, this place is need Puma to be written, the Puma to be laid out. Okay friends, just like that. Puma. Now we have completed our Puma design, and one thing is need to be placed, that are punches. The punches are always be placed. You have witnessed in a different type of Puma's design, and also as well as Jordan design. Now I am going to just depict and show you some punches, that how we can place all the punches like in this way. These are the punches. Okay, friend. Okay, friend. This is my design that I have just depicted you, so you can observe, and you can also notice that how it take a time, and how it take effort to create such these designs. Okay, so if you don't like my subscribe my button and like my button, and you don't comment, so somewhere I just get demotivated. So please don't do such these. If you want to such kind of the design, I have also a number of series that I can depict you and show you. So if you want to have a glimpse such kind of this design, please effort my channel, and please help my channel to just progress. Okay, bye bye. Here is my design, you can see once again. Okay, friend.